In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Wix website. Easy. First, open your site in the Wix Editor. From your dashboard, click Edit Site and wait for the editor to load. Once you're in, look to the left-hand toolbar and open the Add Elements panel. You'll see a list of categories. You may notice sections like Single Video Players, Custom, Marketing Tools, Velo Dev Mode, Lottie, and Popular Embeds. Keep scrolling until you find the Embed Code section. Click Embed Code, then choose the HTML option to place an HTML box on your page. Wix will drop that element onto your canvas. Drag it roughly where you want it to live on your page. You can fine-tune the position and size later. With the HTML element selected, click Settings or HTML Settings. In the panel that opens, you'll see a choice between entering a website address and pasting HTML. Switch it to HTML so you can add code directly. Now paste your HTML snippet into the field. This could be an embed from a video platform, a form provider, a widget, or a small custom block of code. When you're ready, click Update or Apply to render the preview inside the box. Take a moment to adjust the element. Use the resize handles so the content fits without cropping or extra white space. If you don't see anything after updating, double-check that your code is complete and that it doesn't rely on scripts that Wix blocks for security. If your provider offers an iFrame version of the embed, that usually works best in the HTML element. Once the preview looks good, click Save at the top right to store your changes. To push everything live, click Publish. A small prompt may appear. You can choose Don't show this again if you don't want to see that reminder next time, and then click Done to finish. If you need to tweak the code later, just select the HTML element on the page, open HTML settings again, make your edits, and click Update. There's no need to remove and re-add the element. For layout polish, align the box with nearby sections and check the page on different breakpoints within the editor to ensure the embed looks good at various widths. That's it. You opened the Wix editor, added the HTML element from embed code, pasted your snippet, updated the preview, and then saved and published. Follow the